Well, hi, I'm John Hassel with Ebby Halliday here at Cedar Creek Lake, and today we're going to preview a really unique property here at Cedar Creek Lake. This is in Log Cabin Estates. This is listed by Lucy Gray, a lady in our office, and this is, you're not going to believe it, an actual log home. Yeah, it is an actual log home. It sits on about 1.5 acres of land, southeast end of the lake, in basically a forest. So let's get started, okay? Well, here's Lucy's information if you'd like to have it. And when I say you're in a forest, yeah, the yard's fenced in the back, the side. The house is behind those trees, a bunch of leaves in the yard. But here you are on this road going back. As you can see, it makes a nice bend this way. Now there's a POA park here that's, I'm sorry, not a POA park. The City of Log Cabin has its own launch ramp and park. We'll take a look at that at the end of the video. Here's across the street. So if you're looking for some seclusion, if you're looking to get away, you want to find a place to just escape to, man, you can't beat this. Has a pea gravel driveway, and there it is. There's your log cabin. Let's walk in the yard just for the look. Oh, this is your land. Look at that. Now it's a little windy today. I apologize for that, but I'm sure we'll get through it somehow. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the trees. Let's go around the back. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,800 square foot home. 2 bedrooms, had a bath up, and 2 had a bath down. Look at that tree. Isn't this pretty? Let's take a different view. Now we're at the back of the property, and you can see it's just a forest, like I said, covered in beautiful trees. And there's the rest of that house. Man, that's really something. Let's go around this side, see what we can find. It's 1.5 acres. You just don't walk around it in a minute. Yeah, look at that. Double gate back there on that back of the property. And man, this is really something. You want to rake leaves? By golly, this is a place for you. Let's go back around. Another view of the side yard here. Different view of the house. And no, I cannot guarantee that's not an outhouse, but I don't believe it is. Covered area for parking. And it's just a big property. Nice propane tank out there. Just really pretty. Let's go inside and take a look. Before we go inside, let's take a look at this porch. Sit out here in the mornings, during the day, evenings, and look at this view. Quiet, serene, peaceful. Oh man, this is pretty amazing. You know, and you get the smell of that wood. Yeah, I know some of you probably know what I'm talking about, but it is a distinct smell, and it is really a good one. Let's go inside. Well, we just came in, and I apologize for this being a little dark, but you got to understand, it's a log house, and it's going to be a little dark on a cloudy day like we have today. But isn't that beautiful? Nice living area, Franklin stove. Man, that thing will run you out of here. Kitchen, great bar. Little eating area tucked away in the corner. Exposed beams. Island, cooktop in the island. Sink looking outside. Wow. Isn't this something? Get that ceiling. Get that beam. My heavens. Wood floors, obviously. Well, you just have to stand and look to take in all of the exposure you get from this wood. I mean, just to really be able to appreciate it. There's a master, I guess, down. Closet, upstairs. Have a full bath here, walk-in shower. Vessel sink. Again, exposed beams. It's just hard to get over all this. It is so incredible. The workmanship. It is just amazing. Or you just get to feel you're back in the wilderness. I'm not kidding. Now, this is additional room here. This goes back in the back. I don't know where all this goes. Another big living area back in the back. Wow. You've got to come and explore this. This is just too good to be true. Washer and dryer right there. But look at this. And maintained, oh my heavens. The detail is incredible. The wood is amazing. Yeah. I bet in the 1800s they wish they had a sink like this. You really need to come take a look at this. You really do. Now we're going to head over to the park and take a look, get a hold of Lucy, set an appointment to come view this incredible log home. Okay, we're heading over to the park. I'll tell you, I've videoed a lot of unique properties here at the lake over the years. This is only the second log home I think I've actually done. I've never done one in this type of setting before. This is amazing. This just throws you back into the wilderness, back into the 1800s or before that. It's a pretty neat place. It's very special. Certainly get a unique feel when you're here. So please come take a look. Now let's go to the park. Okay, here we are at the park. I'm going to tell you, there's some wind, so be prepared. This is a City of Log Cabin. Has its own police force, fire department. I'm correct on that, I believe. But this park is fee-based, so it's not like an HOA or anything. So you can use this. Let's take a look. There you have a launch ramp, and you can launch several boats at one time. You have a walkway out there for fishing, swimming. RV parking here. Again, I do apologize for the wind. This is a beautiful place. Convenient to the main body of the lake. Go underneath that bridge, you're at the main body of the lake. This park is a half a mile from the house location. Easy walk. Great facilities. You will absolutely love it. They also have a great clubhouse here too. If you ever have a company function or a big family reunion when all this COVID stuff's gone away. So come take a look. But if you'd like more information about this house that Lucy has listed or any other home here on Cedar Creek Lake, please get in touch with me or Lucy. Y'all have a great holiday.